Okay, guys, welcome again to next video. All right, welcome to Josh FX Pro. If you're new here, please do well to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on your bell notification so when I drop a video, you would be the first to be notified. Like, comment, drop me a comment of what you think at the end of this video, and also do well to help me share this video as well, so we could have lots of other people who could come in and also learn. All right, so let's dive into it. So there's a pair here. It's not a new pair per se, but there's a pair here that I saw during the week. I saw this move happen during the week, but I don't like trading at the zone except I see exactly what it's about to do. Yeah, so I don't like trading at a zone. I like to allow markets if I'm in if I'm in this trade, if I'm taking this trade to a buy point, to a bullish point, I like to allow the market to kind of do its thing. When it gets there, that's where my TP will be. My TP will be exactly at this zone. So I like to allow market to do its thing whenever I get. And I remember I took this trade. I actually took this particular trade, but I think I cashed out somewhere here. Yeah. So, but this is a zone. So market came to a zone, tapped in. If you look very well, this has been trending. The market has been trending from here. Yeah, has been giving us some trend all the way to here, down, like that. Yeah, so it's a trend, it's trended up, but at the point now it broke as at yesterday, it broke below this zone. So this is going to be a retest for us on this angle. And we have our first order block here, then our daily order block. Then there's a little what do you call it? There's a little fair value gap here, but I wouldn't mark out that fair value gap. Instead, I want to see how this candle will close so I know if there's a fair value gap between this point and this point here. But as for now, it's a trade to actually look at because we have a change of character position here. The reason why this is a change of character, it's a low that created a high. If you look, this high, let me delete this. If you look, this high of the candle was higher than this high of the candle. So it created another high. This is like a higher high, right? So that is why we have here as our change of character. If you break it down to a 4 hours, then you would see this happen. This is a 4 hours. The same area where I was saying I want to watch out, this same area, I want to watch out between here and here to see if we'll have a fair value gap here. On the daily is looking so, but we need to let this candle close on what time frame again? Excuse me. Okay, it's not yet in my time frame. Yeah. So we need to let this market close by 1. Is it 1? Am I correct? What time is now? This is 1. Okay, yeah. By tomorrow. Yeah. We need to let this market close tomorrow. I forgot I was in a daily time frame. Yeah, but yes, we need to let this market close tomorrow to see how this particular candle closes. But I'm hoping to take any trade that comes along just above this, my change of character point, above any or trade opportunity that I see that happens along that point. So if you look clearly again, you would see that on the 4 hours, we still have that same zone here as well, which is above the change of character point. And there's a present change, a present fair value gap here between this one and this one. So uh, obviously market could do something like come over to that fair value gap area, tap it in, and then starts selling. Obviously, we could have that. It's possible. All right, so it's possible. Let me just type it too. Yeah, so it's possible to have market um, engineer stuffs like this and come back. If you look at it very well, you see that it's also in line with the break and retest strategy. You get, it's also in line with it, but in this case, its market may not get up to the other block points. It may just tap in on the fair value gap area, which we already have here on 4 hours. So, and the TP from that area, if you ask me, the TP I would want to take would be, okay, we have this already, so I'll just like do this. Yeah, my TP will be here. Exactly this point. Yep. Let me make it more bold. So yeah. So yeah. So my TP is gonna be somewhere here. So all the way from here to here. So we could actually have like one of those big trades. We could actually have one of those big trades in this. But like I always keep saying, keep an eye out. You may see this happen, and I don't do signals. I don't drop signals for entry. No, I just drop the idea here. And most of the time, or some of the time, I also drop a trade updates, how far it has gone, what the market is doing. If it's running in loss, I want to know. If it's not, then yeah, you get. So this is what I do, but I don't just come out and say it's time to buy, it's time to buy, then I post a video. No, I don't have a Telegram channel like most people do. I'm not even doing it for the Telegram channel to look for people. No, these videos are like my what do you call it? Yeah, I make these videos so I could have myself responsible for something that brings me back to the chat. You get, that keeps bringing me back to the chat. But most times you could quit because of maybe one emotion or the other, and market still plays with your emotion by giving you a loss so that you go back again into hiding. And by the time you come out, you have to start over again and again. So having a structure or a system that keeps you consistent is goes a long way. For me, this is what keeps me consistent. Continuously making videos about the strategy and keep analyzing the market, keep coming back to the market, keep looking for opportunities in the market, regardless of whether I have the capital at the moment or not. You get, so it just keeps me going. And so far, it has really, really helped me. Now I'm profitable because of consistency. Do you get? So I want you guys to know that. And in your own time, you can't just say, I'll find time for it. No, if you keep stalling, you would never find time for it. You get, and if you leave it, it will leave you. That's the truth. All right. So see you guys on the next video, but please keep an eye out on this one. I'll save it here. So yeah, I'll save it here. So I would always, when it's ready, I would know. Okay, that's it for now. So I would, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, drop a like, and a comment. Share this video, please. Share this video, please. Share the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you need to chat me up privately, my Instagram is there, Josh underscore FX Pro. My TikTok is also there, Josh FX Pro. All right. So, but yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.